Right, next one, he needs a table. So go back to my drafting area, click on insert, go back to catalog. You'll see here, if I just clear this. So we've got all the manufacturers that I have access to, and bear in mind, I'm a Specifi super user, right? So I have access to everything and every price list. When you guys register, you'll get authorization to use a specific price list of the manufacturer. So the manufacturer will say, okay, you're based in Italy, you'll have access to our Euro price list. You're based in UK, you'll have the UK price list. So you won't necessarily have all these. You won't have to worry about selecting the right price list like I have to do. It's all done for you. But it's in alphabetical order here. So I can search. What I can also do is if I know I'm going to be using various different libraries regularly, I can favorite them. So I just have to click on the star and then they jump to the top of my list. So I know that I'm going to be using these items today. First one is SP symbols. Now this is brilliant. So once you take delivery of SP design, obviously you get all this great functionality that we're going through at the moment. But what you also get is a library called SP symbols, which is a generic library of symbols that you can use that are really kind of general purpose. They're non-manufacturer specific. They're very generic. And what that allows you to do is, one, it allows you to plug gaps if you can't find what you're looking for a specific manufacturer's model. So you can come in here, find the nearest alternative. You can then rename it. You can adjust the description to whatever you want to do, and it's there. Or if you want to remain generic, because you may not want to be giving too much away in the first instance, keeping your cards close to your chest as you're sending out a preliminary design, you want to keep it generic. So you have thousands and thousands of these symbols that you can insert that are free to use when you take delivery of SP design. It makes your life so much easier. So for me, I'm going to use it to put in my tables today. So I click on SP design, SP symbol, sorry, stainless steel fabrications, standard tables. I want a bottom shelf and I want a backsplash. And then it comes up with all the options. First one I want is a 900 mil, which is this one here. Now, again, I can bang it straight into my project, but I'm just going to double check if there's anything else I want to put in there. I don't think there is, but I'm just going to double check. Again, change it to my pounds website. It's not going to be a sync unit, so I don't need to worry about the taps. Nope, perfect. Yeah, right, I'm happy. So it's going straight in as is. I'm going to line it up next to my range.